80s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated on it. A little over 100,000 miles is all. The original Arizona car, and it shows. I'm going to point some things out as we walk around this car. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. 305 V8 or 5-liter underneath the hood. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Should be what, 204R. Take a look at this front fascia. Very nice shape. Not full of rock chips, dings, bugs, anything like that. Paint on this car really does show well. Take your time looking at the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll be able to see the car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Monte Carlo wheels. BF Goodrich Comp TA radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight. They're not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You look around, the wheel wells, not full of corrosion, rust, anything popping through. And you're going to be able to see these lower rockers, the underside, floor pans, all in the still pictures. Just want to give you a close-up of this because this thing really does show well for the year as far as age and a few miles on it. And as you can see, side glass is tinted as well as the rear window, so know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have. I want to make you aware of that. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, newer AC compressor on it. We'll take a peek underneath the hood in here in just a bit, let you hear it run. We'll start it up. Does have true dual exhaust, glass packs. Also some recent service work, new plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and coil. All new. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through them. If you like these 80s cars, maybe you're from that era, I know how you feel. It's what we had in high school. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. We do get Grand Nationals from time to time. 442s. These Monte Carlo SS's. G-bodies. So, pretty popular cars. When the vehicles in these videos and the videos get uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, same way, not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Around the wheel wells, lower rockers, you just don't see a bunch of corrosion popping. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Maybe you had one back in high school and you want another one. Take a look at this interior. Door panels in very nice shape, power windows, power locks. And look at the seating surfaces. Not full of rips, tears, holes. And again, that nice deep Marlowe or deep wine color. Very rich looking. Tilt column, cruise control. AM FM cassette player. Have had the AM FM radio working. There's exact miles, 100,394. Fired up. Looks like that tack popped right up. That one's working. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, voltmeter, and oil pressure. Got a good sound to it too. Take a look at the top of that dash. Not all cracked or discolored.
On unpaid taxes compound daily.
Again, radio work. All right, how about the headliner? Take a peek at that. Headliner, good shape. This one's got a little more bark than it would have had when it came from the Chevy dealer showroom floor back in '85. We got a little rumble now. Sounds good. me pause this a second. I'm gonna have to pop this door open here. We'll get the hood up, check out that engine bay, let you see it running. And then we will also take this car for a drive and show you how it goes down the road. Jason will get the camera set up in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around to the very end. But first, let's get this hood open. Hood liner still intact. All right, here's the engine bay. Pretty stock looking engine bay. I stated earlier, new AC compressor. Looks like we got HEI, looks like new coil back there. AC has been converted, it looks like, from the R12 to 134. Smooth running, good sounding engine. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Look at the undersides. Like I said, look at those lower rockers, trunk, interior, engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Very nice running Monte Carlo. This is an automatic on the center console. Our cruise control works on this car. Our wipers are also working. And we got a little morning traffic. Blower motor works as well on this Monte Carlo. Very responsive throttle. Nice firm shift from that automatic transmission and good acceleration. This car is running very nicely, as it should. Factory radio down here. I have not tested the cassette player, but FM is working as it should. Nice looking interior. The headliner looks good. Seats look good. Comfortable cloth seats. Bucket seats up front. Our fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. The battery's charging over 14. The temperature is about 1/4 of the way up the gauge, and the oil pressure approximately 40 to 50 psi. That's all looking really good. Factory tachometer working. Speedometer also working. This car corners as it should. They stay pretty level. Good sway bars in these cars. Nice firm shifts. I like the way this automatic transmission shifts. And the kickdown is working on that transmission. You definitely want to look at all the pictures. If you can't come and drive it, come look at it in person. At least look at the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.